This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Callis-Lett. 3-bedroom rancher with large primary suite, impressive bath includes 2-person walk-in shower. Hardwood under all carpet throughout the house. Fenced backyard with large deck is perfect for 3-season entertaining. Large detached 12 by 20 workshop with electricity and heat. Smaller shed great for storage. Near shopping, hospital and shipyard. House is being sold as is whereas. Owner to make no repairs. Inspections encouraged for informational purpose only. Chicken coop does convey. For more information, review the details below.